People-related data can be extremely challenging to work with, especially when you have multiple sources of information stored across disconnected systems. How do you get an instant snapshot of business performance and the entire employee landscape if you're still stuck in manual data entry, multiple spreadsheets, and relying on an overly complicated reporting process? Fret not, because you've just found EmployeeBoss, the perfect solution to getting all your workforce reporting and analytics needs covered. Associate and build links across disparate data sources, including payroll through to sales, learning and development, or other HRIS. EmployeeBoss harmonizes and blends all your data, regardless of type, so you have all the data you need for reporting in one place. Say goodbye to old cumbersome reporting, because with EmployeeBoss you get out-of-the-box reports and dashboards related to your workforce. Need more customized reports? You've come to the right place. EmployeeBoss gives you a variety of chart types to select from. Use the Report Builder tool to easily drag and drop fields to create the reports you need based on any dimension. EmployeeBoss easily transforms static data into smart visualizations on boardroom-ready dashboards. So why not put your reporting process on autopilot with EmployeeBoss? Reports are automatically refreshed based on your preference, so you'll see the most accurate and up-to-date information in the right format every time. Share dashboards, reports, and insights with your colleagues, executive management, or other EmployeeBoss users simply by sharing permissions. It's that simple. Switching to a data-driven business strategy can be a daunting prospect, especially when you've already invested a lot of money in your existing IT structure and have established processes in place. But the good news is that you don't need to change a thing. EmployeeBoss extracts hidden value out of your existing systems by unlocking workforce data, connecting it, and bringing it to life. As one of the features offered in EmployeeBoss, reporting and analytics gives you the ability to understand how your people are impacting the business and allows you to be agile with decision-making. Gain critical business insights and make the best judgment call for your organization with EmployeeBoss today.